Hello to everybody. I hope you like my video. This is a mixture of photos and videos. Some, of course, they're yoga, and also there's my own music. So I think that you should enjoy it, and I hope you do. If you don't, then I don't know what to say, but this yoga is, of course, in China. It looks like it's some Chinese classes, and of course the teacher there is teaching them how to do the yoga and encourage them to do it, of course. Now I hope that you can keep fit with some of this. Obviously I do this sort of thing all the time. I upload videos for yoga and some other obviously business and things that is an interest of myself first, and then of course hopefully to my others supporters or the public. And as you know, yoga is very good for everyone really, because it's sort of relaxing. It's also good to of course lose weight, and exercise is always the best thing to do if you are really a little overweight like myself, I suppose. You got to exercise beside doing your dieting, but dieting, it's careful eating, fresh food, and hopefully one can reach the goal that one does want. So I'm trying to help everybody if I can. So I hope you enjoy my video, and please like and subscribe, and I will do some more. Tell me also in the comments